Guys, welcome back to the Spider-Man channel, and here we are again the intro in a car. Yeah, we're on the way to the airport. As you probably already saw in the title, we go on another trip. This is the first time I'm vlogging like a vacation trip. This time it's gonna be with Noah Okafor, really good friend of mine. And yeah, we're gonna be a big group, like his whole family is gonna be with us. So I don't know like how much we can show or how much we're gonna show, but I'm sure we're gonna have some crazy activities. We're gonna have a big house. Obviously, I think there are like 8 to 10 sleeping rooms. Never heard of this. Yeah, let's see. But I'm excited. I've been already a couple times with him on vacation, so I know how it is. Honestly, yeah, Noah is one of the nicest guys. Early in the morning, I'm a bit tired, but it's gonna be really funny. All right, see you there.
Jumping out the porch, I was a little scholar. Who would ever thought I'd be a real problem? All the time I've been the one to lead. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Blessed to have a bus worth over $1 million. You ain't gonna stay rich till you got real products. These losses starting to help me see what really matters. He just can't even help a nigga feel better. So the back home.
And I'm out here grinding still, I need equity to sign the deal.
Perfect. So plan is now to film a bit of the training, first session, but there's gonna be a lot of training in the next day, so one of many, yeah. But let's see. It's a nice place to work out, huh? The view is crazy, eh?
Plus c'est la ville, plus on est de fous. Plus technique à rôder, là se fort à 6 doses. Ils font en 10 années, pas moi, ça prend 6 mois. Cigare en chevaux quand j'arrive sur scène. La saga, la cité, tout saga en chef. La chef, autour de moi.
Parce que si c'est tellement noir, tu crois au canular. Je veux pas leur or, juste leur tête me suffira. Je craque comme Voldemort, demande à Linda, elle te le dira.
We do a challenge, we do dip challenge. Whoever gets the most dips wins. Okay, you want to start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 21. Who's next? Two. Yeah, Abba.
Keep the Abba.
4.
That's a kleine.
5.
Abba.
27. 28. 29. 30.
Dat is niet meer.
Nee.
Dat vind ik niet eens zeker.
2, 3. Wieder runter. 4, 5, 23, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 28, 29, 30.
So, du hast die Körperschwerpunkt anders gehabt. Ja, eben, das sind die richtigen. Also fangen wir Josh an. Er macht jede Woche dreimal die Kelly.
Dat is goed.
4, 17,
Come on, check!
21, 19, 20, schon 40, 22, 38, 39, eine noch um, 40.
So.
Nächste Ding.
Loser. Look, ihr habt es so gemacht. So. Das haben die gemacht.
Ja.
Genau das.
So.
Bild, das weißt du einfach so. Ich schwöre, ich habe gewonnen. Er hat keine 20 geschafft. Keine Chance.
Achtung, die Knie, du hast fast die Knie angetatscht.
Jetzt nicht. Ich schwöre. Ja. Der ist aber.
Der zweite ist eigentlich einfacher als der erste.
Ja, wenn du Schwung hast schon.
Ja.
Ein Foto schnell. In der Tonne, da. Mach Handy weg.
Rucksack mit. Ja, mach ich nicht mitnehmen.
Oh shit, stark Elisha. Stark, stark. Oh!
Mann! Gut, das ist schwer, egal. 40. Alright, just finished Padel. Now we'll go into another training session for the guys. I think this location is really nice to film. You see directly is Mykonos, you know, because everywhere like mountains and white houses.
Yeah.
And the weather is nice, and also what's really sick is on that side you see kite surfing, like the kites, you know. So like you have a lot of movement behind Noah and like Elijah and Isaiah, and yeah, let's do it.
Outside every night, putting belt to ass, this summer gon' be lit. Ain't no wop, but there's some quaking. Baby, brush still got pints and tricks. Drive a Rari like a shooting star, you see me make a wish. I can't spend the night, as soon as I fall asleep, she gon' sneak a picture. I'm your favorite rapper, favorite trap, I really get it on. Tell the pilot stop in Switzerland, by every AP they can seal. We got every flavor, marijuana and on trapping songs. Every bitch who left me, they'll be lonely, they can go to hell. Every 60 days, we switch the flops.
We have a media company, like a media brand, you know.
Nice.
We work with a lot of football players,
Nice.
and like this year we started to also like show behind the scenes, you know.
Do you say how many days do you go max without a haircut?
Twice a month is a very good.
Twice a month.
Yeah.
You go
Bro,
every
what?
week?
Every
Oh,
week
I have to do it.
It's a lot. It's,
So I have to do at least once a week.
yeah, it's a lot. It's because you want it, not because you need it.
I mean the
Oh, I
thing
need
is,
it.
I would hate to be on the other side. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Why these niggas wanna envy me? Filling their hearts with envy. Niggas going for an image, and I don't wanna admit it. Extend me starch in my linen. Me mixing it up, be a chemist. Spit it like Nas on the illest. It's just a Bible of the fittest.
He's stuck in his ways, he want my life, shit ain't in deep. I've been out LA with 50 shots ever since PNB. This shit real, nigga. You don't want me at the white party, what the fuck you want me to kill, niggas? You don't want me at the right party with the rich folks, busting deals with them? I know all the killers well. I was popping pills with them, been falling back from Killer Dell, cause I might try drill niggas, shit. My youngin' died at 20 like a real nigga. Shots to his head, hit his chest like a real nigga. Times in a bed, and my homie gotta deal with it. My dog slime my other dog, expecting me to chill with him. You know what you did, nigga. You ain't moving low, no, we know where you live. When we catch you, it's the Super Bowl.
Ce soir, je veux qu'on soit intime. Des gamines qu'on passe en médaille.
Yeah, shake that ass.
Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I had a ski, that be pull up. 475 and that fast as fuck.
Feel safe? You know what would be nice? To not die today.
What is the song called? You have to put this now.
Which one?
Young Thug, I think. Nobody gonna die today. Okay.
Somebody gon' die today. Yeah. Somebody gon' die today. Somebody gon' die today. Somebody gon' die today. Yeah. I'm fresh as a pepper. I'm green and white pepper. I'ma be ringing your line once again. I done been drinking, I was just thinking when we gon' fuck again. Her pussy licking, I'm pulling up, I wanna make love again. She wanna pop a few, we on them love drugs again. Pop a few beanies, I wanna take the shit up once again. I done been drinking, I was just thinking when we gon' fuck again.
How was it?
It was shit because on the back you cannot do nothing. You just freeze like water in your eyes. You just freeze and you're sitting there. Doesn't make sense. It's fun when there are no waves, and like no wind and stuff. But if it's cold and wind,
You know the video? You know the video of Kanye West with the jet ski?
oh, when you jump over the beach.
Oh my
But I don't even know how he managed to do
Yeah,
this.
bro.
And he was with Kim, no?
Yeah.
I guess we'll never know.
It doesn't look that bad.
It looks good, bro.
I thought it looks too big on me.
What's like a piece you would get? Like, do you have something in mind?
Yeah, I want to get the infinity chain. Infinity chain. And all.
Jetzt lang, Bruder.
Alright guys, that was it. Thank you very much for everything, brother.
I have to say thank you. Unbelievable holidays.
I think honestly for me, we've been many time on vacation, for me the best one.
Yeah, I think for me also.
Because organization was top. What we did, top.
Yeah, because it was more than like 15 people or 16 people.
Yeah.
And I think it's always like hard to organize for everyone.
Yeah.
So I think it was for me also like one of the best, when not the best holiday. It's always like this, it's good because when you're with the best people.
What was your best activity or your best day?
I think every day was like special or amazing. But I would like to play Padel for me in the sun, like in Mykonos, is amazing.
Who's the best player?
It's hard, I think one, you or me. But we have to play maybe one against one to see who's better.
Okay. Next vlog we play. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think nobody has ever done, it's probably going to be a big video.
Yeah.
So I think nobody has ever done something like this before. Yeah, let me know if you liked it. Give us like a feedback, a comment, whatever. I think it's also like not normal like that we can show that much behind the scenes, especially like with all the stuff we were doing like in those last 9 to 10 days, you know. And yeah. Any last words?
No.
Also, I think
you.
I hope it was fine with the language, because obviously we don't speak English with each other. We're both Swiss, so we speak Swiss German, you know.
Yeah.
So that's why it was probably less interaction with the camera, but I think it was good though. Huh?
Yeah. Oh, we have so much content.
Yeah, we
I have to think
have 1 terabyte just images. Can you guys imagine 1 terabyte? That's 1 terabyte. Like everybody who knows a little bit of megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte knows that's way too much.
And that's not even in the videos. I won't even.
That's not the videos. Yeah. That's just the images.
Yeah.
So yeah.
No,
All right.
Thank you very much. Show love.
Yeah.
And see you soon.
See you soon.